In this video, I'll show you how to handwrite on Google Docs. The first thing to know is that Google Docs does not have a normal freehand pen tool for writing directly on the page the way you might expect in a note-taking app. Google's help pages and support discussions point to a workaround instead. If you want handwritten content inside a doc, the usual built-in method is to create a drawing and use the Scribble tool. So on a computer, open your Google Doc and place your cursor where you want the handwriting to appear. Then click Insert, choose Drawing, and select New. This opens the built-in drawing window inside Google Docs. Google says this is where you can add shapes, lines, text, and freehand drawings. Now inside the drawing window, click the Line tool and choose Scribble. After that, use your mouse, trackpad, touchscreen, or stylus to write by hand. This works well for quick notes, labels, initials, or a handwritten signature. Once you finish writing, click Save and Close, and your handwriting will be inserted into the document as an image. If you need to fix it later, just click the drawing and choose Edit. If your goal is not a handwritten image but actual typed text created from handwriting, that depends more on your device keyboard. On Android, Google says Gboard can use a handwriting keyboard, where you write with your finger or stylus, and it converts your writing into typed text. So if you tap inside Google Docs and switch Gboard to a handwriting keyboard, you can handwrite words and have them appear as normal text in the document. If you use a Chromebook with a stylus, Google also says you can write into text boxes with the handwriting pad when it appears. That means in Docs, Gmail, and similar apps, you may be able to handwrite into the input area and let the device convert it into typed text. So the simple answer is this. If you want visible handwriting in Google Docs, use Insert greater than Drawing, greater than New, greater than Line, greater than Scribble. If you want your handwriting turned into typed text, use a handwriting keyboard like Gboard on supported devices. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.